The drone industry has been fast evolving, with new models pushing the limits of what aerial photography and videography can accomplish. DJI offering includes two outstanding models, the DJI Mavic 3 and the DJI Air 3S. Each is equipped with cutting-edge technology yet caters to slightly diverse requirements. The Mavic 3 is a powerhouse with its dual-lens camera and cutting-edge obstacle avoidance system, but the Air 3S provides outstanding value with its enhanced transmission and impressive camera enhancements. In this video, we'll compare the two and help you determine which drone is most suited for you. When it comes to design and portability, both drones follow DJI's signature foldable approach, making them easy to carry and travel with. The Mavic 3 has a sleek, premium build, but it's slightly larger and heavier than the Air 3S. The Mavic 3 weighs around 2 pounds, which means it's subject to federal registration in most countries. In contrast, the Air 3S is lighter and more compact, making it more convenient to transport, especially if you're often on the go. Still keep in mind that both drones require some form of registration or certification depending on where you are. The camera is often the deciding factor, and this is where the two drones take different approaches. When it comes to cameras, the Mavic 3 is an absolute powerhouse. It features a 20-megapixel 4x3 sensor developed in collaboration with Hasselblad, giving you superior image quality and dynamic range. Plus, it can shoot 5.1 video, which is ideal for high-end cinematic production. The Mavic 3 also has a telephoto lens with 7x optical zoom, making it perfect for capturing subjects from a distance without losing detail. The Air 3S, while not quite as advanced, still offers impressive performance for its price point. It has a 1-inch sensor, which is an upgrade over its predecessor, the Air 3. It comes with a dual camera system, a wide-angle 24mm lens, and a medium telephoto 70mm lens, both of which capture sharp, vibrant images. It shoots in 4000 at 60 fps and even supports 120 fps slow motion. Plus, with 10-bit color and 14 stops of dynamic range, it handles low light conditions exceptionally well. For professionals who need the absolute best image quality and zoom capabilities, the Mavic 3 takes the lead. But for enthusiasts or semi-pros, the Air 3S delivers more than enough for everyday shooting at a much lower price. Both drones are equipped with advanced flight features, but there are some differences in performance. The Mavic 3 comes with 8 obstacle sensors and DJI's a 5.0 system, which can detect obstacles from up to 200 meters away and automatically navigate around them. This makes it ideal for flying in complex environments where safety is crucial. The Air 3S is also equipped with omnidirectional obstacle detection, but it goes a step further with a front-facing LAR sensor. This is especially useful for flying in low light conditions or at night where traditional sensors might struggle. While it doesn't have the same range as the Mavic 3's APAS system, it's still highly reliable and easy to fly. When it comes to battery life, the Mavic 3 leads the pack with a 46-minute flight time, though in real-world conditions, you'll probably get closer to 36 to 40 minutes. This makes it perfect for longer shoots or covering more ground without worrying about recharging. The Air 3S offers a solid 45 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions, which is impressive for its size. If you're not planning on long, uninterrupted flights, the difference in battery life between the two won't be a deal breaker. Both drones use DJI's 04 transmission system, ensuring a strong, reliable connection even at long distances. The Air 3S can transmit video up to 20 kilometers, which is an upgrade over its predecessor, while the Mavic 3 uses 03 Plus transmission, which offers stable video up to 9 miles. In terms of controllers, both drones come with similar remote options, though the Mavic 3 offers the more advanced DJI RC Pro as an upgrade for those looking for more precise control and an integrated display. Now, let's talk about pricing. The DJI Air 3S starts at $1,099 for the base kit and can go up to $1,599 for the Fly More combo, which includes additional batteries, a charging hub, ND filters, and a carrying case. For most users, this offers fantastic value, considering the features packed into this compact drone. The Mavic 3, however, is in a completely different price bracket. It starts around $2,050 for the standard version and goes up to $3,250 for the Scene Premium combo, which includes ProRes support and a 1 TB SSD. While it's undoubtedly expensive, the Mavic 3 offers top-tier performance and capabilities for professionals who need the absolute best. Both the DJI Air 3S and the DJI Mavic 3 are stellar drones, but they cater to slightly different users. The Mavic 3 offers more versatility with its dual camera system, better dynamic range, and professional-grade features. It's perfect for those who need top-tier video quality and advanced obstacle avoidance. On the other hand, the Air 3S is an incredible value, offering impressive camera performance, enhanced transmission, and great usability all in a smaller, more affordable package. For most users, the Air 3S has the sweet spot between price and performance, making it the better all-around choice. So, which one will you take to the skies? Let us know in the comments below.